Hi all, welcome back to another video. This video is all about unboxing HP's best gaming laptop, the Pavilion series. And I'm pretty excited too. And one more thing is, today is my birthday. So show your love by giving a like and sharing to your friends. And if you are new to my channel, just consider to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will get informed about my latest videos. So this is jainjejo and you're watching Creative Lab. So now let's jump into the unboxing.
So we are going to open HP's gaming laptop and the blade is ready for action. So let's do it. Now let's see what all things inside the box. Inside the box you can see a user manual, a charging cable, an AC adapter with HP logo on it, and this one is a 150 watt fast charging adapter as well. And these are the cardboard which is provided for protecting the edges. So this one is the beast I am going to handle today. This one is HP Pavilion 15 DK50TX. This one is coming with black shadow color with purple design with logo and name as well. You can also see a unique ventilation design to release the hot air out at the back. The large vents at the bottom, the two turbo cooling fans along with liquid cooling thermal paste help this to stay cool even you are performing heavy gaming. About the connectivity, at the right side you will have a drive light, a headphone jack, two USB port, a power connector with an indicator. On the left side you can see HDMI port, a Thunderbolt USB port, internet jack, USB Type-C port and a full-sized memory card reader. Now let us check the one finger opening test, and you can see the base didn't came along with this screen due to 2.25 kg weight and the grips supporting at the bottom. It has got ultraviolet backlit keyboard in which you can adjust to two different light options. It has also got a number keypad as well. This keyboard is very nice as you can travel through the keys very faster. It has also got a large mousepad in which you will get a bunch of gestures so that you can use even 4 fingers to do the task. It has got two front-firing B&O speaker with HP's audio boost with a good speaker grill design in which the audio will be clear, crisp and loud. This one has 15.6-inch display with 144Hz refresh rate made with Full HD anti-glare panel of IPS display and also micro edging with small frame and barely visible bezel. At the top it also has 88-degree wide-angle 720p HD vision camera with internal microphone. The 300 nits of brightness gives better viewing experience at different angles. This one is equipped with 3-cell lithium-ion battery of 52.5 watt-hour which can be fully charged in 1 hour and can be used up after 4.5 hours of normal use and 2 hours of heavy gaming. About the processor, this one is loaded with Intel Core i7 9th generation processor with 6 cores, also with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650 4GB GDDR5 dedicated graphic card and also pre-installed Windows 10 64-bit operating system and Microsoft Office for Home and Students 2019. It has 8GB RAM and 2 memory slot which can be expanded to 32GB later. The internal storage is hybrid type in which you will get 1 TB HDD and 256GB SSD. For wireless connectivity, it has got 802.11 AC Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 5 combo. In overall, this one is the best balanced gaming laptop in which you can buy under 95,000. So I will definitely recommend this laptop for heavy gaming and video editing without overheating and lag. In this way you can work hard and play hard. Peace.